Hey guys, are you want to buy best motor oils for high-performance cars? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best motor oils for high-performance cars that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Mobil 1 Extended Synthetic Motor Oil. Mobil 1 Extended Performance High Mileage 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil is an excellent choice for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. Engineered to last up to 20,000 miles between oil changes *, it uses Mobil 1's advanced Triple Action Plus formula, delivering impressive performance, protection, and cleanliness while maintaining engine power. Meeting ILSAC GF6 standards, it safeguards against low-speed pre-ignition, LSPI, and timing chain wear, while also promoting better fuel economy. With heat protection up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit and cold start protection down to -40 degrees Fahrenheit, it ensures reliable performance in extreme conditions. By preventing harmful deposits in sludge, it helps extend engine life, making it a trusted option for long-lasting protection and efficiency. Ideal for high-mileage engines needing superior care. Now our second product is Valvoline Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This full synthetic 0W20 motor oil is built for drivers who want ultimate engine protection and performance. It delivers superior defense against wear, friction, heat, and deposits, the leading causes of engine breakdown. With 24x stronger protection against water intrusion than leading synthetic oils, it effectively fights rust and corrosion to extend vehicle life. The advanced dual defense additive technology keeps engines clean, ensuring peak performance and fuel efficiency. Offering 10x stronger resistance to oil breakdown and 50% more wear protection than industry standards, it sets a high bar for reliability. Meeting or exceeding ILSAC GF6A, APISP, SN+, and Dexos 1 Gen 3 requirements, this American-made formula comes from a trusted brand with over 150 years of expertise. Our third product is Castrol Full Synthetic Motor Oil. This advanced full synthetic motor oil is engineered to deliver exceptional durability and protection for modern engines. It's proven to be 3x stronger than the leading full synthetic, with outstanding resistance to viscosity breakdown. Under high-stress driving, it offers 10x better performance, ensuring reliable protection even under heavy load and torque conditions. Designed for extended drain intervals, it can go up to 20,000 miles or 1 year between oil changes, giving both convenience and peace of mind. It exceeds APISQ/SP/SN+/SN and ILSAC GF7 standards, while also meeting GM Dexos 1 Gen 3, Chrysler MS6395, and key Ford specifications. With its cutting-edge formulation, this oil provides top-tier performance, efficiency, and longevity, making it a smart choice for drivers who demand the best. Now number 4, BestLine Engine Oil. BestLine Racing Diamond Nano Lube is a high-performance engine treatment designed to drastically reduce friction and extend engine life. Using a concentrated Diamond Nano formula, it forms an ultra-low friction film that cuts friction by up to 60% compared to conventional oils. Suitable for all types of engines: gasoline, diesel, hybrid, motorcycles, classic cars, race cars, and commercial trucks, it's universally compatible and highly versatile. The treatment offers extreme heat resistance up to 1,800 degrees Fahrenheit, maintaining lubrication where conventional additives fail. Its dual-action formula cleans sludge, prevents new deposits, and neutralizes acidic oil breakdown, helping restore power to high-mileage engines. Acting like microscopic ball bearings, the nanoparticles polish metal surfaces for smoother operation and reduced noise. 1 bottle per 5 quarts of oil delivers long-lasting protection and efficiency. And our last choice is Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Motor Oil. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 15W40 diesel engine oil is engineered for heavy-duty performance with its advanced Triple Protection Plus technology. It defends against wear, harmful deposits, and oil breakdown, ensuring long-lasting reliability for hard-working engines. Compared to conventional and synthetic blend 15W40 oils, it offers better cold cranking and low temperature pumpability, making starts easier in cold climates. With enhanced oxidation resistance and improved deposit control, it keeps engines cleaner and running efficiently. It's where protection surpasses API CJ4 technology while maintaining compatibility with modern exhaust emissions control systems. Built to perform in extreme operating conditions and climates, Shell Rotella T6 also comes with a limited warranty covering up to 15 years or 500,000 miles when exclusively used, providing durability and peace of mind for diesel owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.